All right, so now that we got our document ready, let's go over to Click2Mail's job template page and put all the mail pieces, Ghibli bits together so we can put everything in an envelope and send it to your recipient. This part is where everything starts to come together. From the templates page, I will go to the tab currently called Click2Mail Hub. It will be renamed Click2Mail Connect later so that you know. But for now, it's labeled Click2Mail Hub. We'll be clicking the Create button to start a new job template. First, we choose the document type. In this case, it's a postcard. And then I'm selecting black and white because there's no color in our Taco Tuesday design. Now, you might see that the cost shows something like $2.42. And that's because of a system minimum or if there's no credit loaded on the account. But don't worry, that's not your real cost. When you got credit on the account, which you'll need anyway for Connect to work, the cost drops down. For black and white postcards, you're looking at about 69 cents. You can see that by removing the $1.73 shown on this screen. You arrive at the actual cost. So yeah, it's way cheaper than what you see at first glance. Anyway, I'll hit continue, and now we'll name this template. I like to keep my naming consistent, so I'm calling it the same thing as the document, Taco Tuesday 50 off, short for Taco Tuesday 50% off. Then I select the document from the dropdown, and there it is right at the top. Now, this is important. I try to keep the template name, the document name, and even the mailing list name all the same. That just makes things way easier later when you're trying to remember which parts go together. Trust me, when you've got a few campaigns running, having all those names match will save you a lot of headaches. Once I've picked the right document, we're basically done on the Click2Mail website side. From here, we switch over to Salesforce and start setting up the connection that triggers the mail when certain conditions are met. So let's go take a look at that next.